I thought the teacher.
Ang sabi?
Hindi kasi we grew up together. Kahit na I'm her cousin. Ayun. Parang our relationship together is I'm her big sister. I am her big sister. So, both of them. So seeing her achieve her dreams and all these achievements is also my achievement as well as her big sister. Kasi kung may magbigay sa kanilang dalawa, ako yun, as her ate. Kaya, I'm so proud of you. And I love you. Thank you.